Our universe is vast, it's truly immense. When we gaze up at the night sky, we see countless stars. These stars are just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Imagine the largest thing you can possibly conceive. Now multiply that by infinity. That's the universe we live in. Scientists have given a name to the part of the universe we can observe. They call it the observable universe. It's a sphere with Earth at its center. This sphere is about 93 billion light-years across. That's a number so big it's hard to even imagine. But there's more. Much more. The observable universe is just a tiny part of the entire universe. It's like a grain of sand on an endless beach. We have no idea how much bigger the entire universe actually is. It might even be infinite. To understand the vastness of space, we need a different kind of ruler. We need a ruler that measures the incredibly long distances between stars and galaxies. That ruler is the light year. A light year isn't a measure of time, it's a measure of distance. It's the distance light travels in 1 year. Light is incredibly fast. It travels at a speed of approximately 186,282 miles per second, or 299,792 kilometers per second. In 1 year, light travels about 5.88 trillion miles, or 9.46 trillion kilometers. That's a 5.88 with 12 zeros after it. Now think about the observable universe again. It's 93 billion light-years across. That means the light from the farthest objects we can see has been traveling for 93 billion years to reach us. It's mind-boggling. Here's something even more amazing. When we look at distant galaxies, we're not seeing them as they are right now. We're seeing them as they were billions of years ago. It's like looking back in time. The reason for this is the finite speed of light. Light takes time to travel. So, the farther away an object is, the longer it takes for its light to reach us. When we observe a galaxy 10 billion light-years away, we're seeing light that left that galaxy 10 billion years ago. This means there's a whole lot of universe we can't see yet. The light from these distant regions hasn't had enough time to reach us. What wonders might be hidden beyond our cosmic horizon? What galaxies, stars, and planets might exist in those uncharted realms? The universe is not static. It's constantly expanding. Imagine baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the bread bakes, the raisins move farther apart. In a similar way, the galaxies in our universe are moving away from each other. The expansion of the universe is a fascinating phenomenon. It's driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. We don't fully understand dark energy yet, but we know it's pushing everything in the universe apart at an accelerating rate. This expansion has profound implications. It means the universe will continue to grow larger and colder over time. It also makes determining the true size of the universe even more challenging. As we contemplate the vastness of the universe, we might feel a sense of awe, wonder, or even insignificance. But we should also feel a sense of connection. We are a part of this grand cosmic tapestry. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars. We are stardust, connected to every other part of the universe.